Hi, today we'll be changing front wing on a 58 reg Fiesta. As you can see, it's damaged. What I've just found out is it's a good idea to clean these up first, get all that protection stuff under seal, remove it so you can get your socket on nut properly without rounding it off, because them two have got to come off. So I'm going to undo them first before I take wheel off and take my wheel arch liner out. Right, I've took wheel off. These are tools I've used up to now. I'm just going to get quite a few of these out in a wheel arch liner. If you can see that, quite a few dotted about here and there. I've got them two out from under wing, what I thought would be a problem, but they weren't. Now we're just going to take wheel arch liner off, and these are tools I've used up to now. 10mm ratchet spanner, socket extension, ratchet. This is for the screws are taking out now. I just use that to clean them nuts up, because I had all that under seal all over them and I couldn't get the socket on properly. So there you have it. Altogether there's 6 of them screws holding this inner lining on. So now it should come out. Right, so wheel arch liner's off. So when you put it back on, just go steady tightening them up, because as you can see they just go into plastic clips, so don't go mad over tightening them. So now I'm just going to take a few more bolts off. There's 2 here holding wingtip bumper, and 1 there, so that's 3. If you see them, lovely. And that's where we need as ratchet spanner and socket, or you can use 2 sockets, it's up to you. So all together, hold it wing on under here, underneath we've got 6 bolts. You need to just take this one up there, you just pull that out, there's no holding it in, and then there's that bolt there that I've just removed, and then you can get your indicator wire out of way, and then it's under the bonnet. Well, that's the wing off. A few more tools have come into play, pin nose pliers, another extension. Pin nose pliers were for that, you have to twist that plastic thing there because it's holding your wing on. So now I'm just going to get a little bit of clean up, and I'm going to put some copper grease on all screws and put new wing back on. Here we have it, new wing back on, all fixed back together. Just need to get that bit of corner bumper painted. You never tell the difference. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.